Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Grass jelly chicken is a popular Hakka dish. After boiling the grass jelly plant for many hours, a gelatinous substance is produced that tastes slightly sweet and goes well with chicken. It's a great dish to eat in both summer and winter. High-quality grass jelly is most commonly found in the Guangxi area of Hsinchu and is an old Hakka favorite.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係 Josephine. And last month I actually talked about how one of my favorite things here in Taiwan is the grass jelly. 上个月呢有提到
仙草很好吃啊。
对啊，尤其现在冬天又冷了烧仙草是最好的。
小咸臭了。
小咸臭了，对。自从这个我朋友知道之后，说我很喜欢吃仙草，他们说，那你应该吃过一道客家名菜叫做仙草鸡。我就说，仙草鸡怎么可能有仙草鸡呢？
当然有啊
Really？
开玩笑
You guys never told me. Oh wow.
有甜的一定要有咸的。
I've never known that the grass jelly can be prepared as a main dish. 我一直以为说这个仙草就是甜点类的。所以跟我介绍一下仙草鸡是怎么一回事啊？
仙草啊，咸臭哈，其实它栽种过程，栽种了之后呢，它收起来，它要在外面曝晒过之后，然后放到仓库里头保存大概3年的时间，然后这个咸臭它里面就会有很多的胶质产生。
3年会不会太久了一点呢？
这本来就是这样子，新鲜的是不能用的，它就一定要保存在一段时间之后呢，然后把它熬煮出它里面的汁，然后它胶质，然后再把那个鸡肉放下去，给你不用落去，然后煮了之后那个就很好吃。
Oh, this is again a hot dish that is prepared with grass jelly, and Leo was bringing me some insights about how they prepare the grass jelly. They actually have to sun dry the grass jelly for at least 2 years, maybe even 3 years, before you can bring the most out of its taste, and then use it in this dish. And it's called the grass jelly chicken, 也就是仙草鸡. So let's go ahead and review all these terms that are related with the grass jelly. First off is 仙草, the grass jelly.
咸臭
okay? Or as a dessert, it's 烧仙草.
小咸臭
okay? Or if you want to try out this main dish, it's the grass jelly chicken, 也就是仙草鸡.
咸臭给
And there you go. All things related with 咸臭. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.